We are going to study what? In psychological tests, we are going to study our word association test, that is your also called as your words replacement test. Okay. Psychological tests are also called as your personality test. पहली चीज जो मैं आपसे शुरू से लेकर अब तक जो मैंने आपसे डिस्कस की मैंने आपको बताई थी, that is what that you have to show your positive attitude and that you have to show your positive behavior. ठीक है. साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट करने का जो सबसे पहला हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल है, चाहे वो आपकी एसएमबी साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट है, जब किसी भी टेस्ट के लिए जा रहे हो, आप साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट कर रहे हो, सबसे पहली चीज आपने क्या ध्यान में रखनी है? पॉजिटिविटी एंड योर पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. ठीक हो गया. अब हमने साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट में डिफरेंट टाइप्स पढ़ी थी. ठीक है. दैट इज योर सेंटेंस कंप्लीशन, योर पिक्चर स्टोरी, योर पॉइंटर स्टोरी, देन योर वर्ड, दैट इज योर वर्ड एसोसिएशन टेस्ट. Got it? Yes, so today we are going to study regarding what your psychological test, and in psychological test we are going to study word association test. ठीक हो गया? Association मतलब replacement. Got it? Association means replacement, changing. That in word association test, first of all I just want to deliver. In word association test you will have total 100 words that will be displayed on your projector screen. 100 words होंगे आपके पास. 100 वर्ड्स आपके पास होंगे जो कि आपके पास प्रोजेक्टर स्क्रीन के ऊपर डिस्प्लेड होंगे. हर वर्ड के लिए 10 सेकंड होगा आपके पास. You have to make sentence on that particular word and each word will take round about 10 seconds. 10 सेकंड के लिए एक वर्ड डिस्प्ले होगा. 10 सेकंड बाद तो वर्ड क्या हो जाएगा? चेंज हो जाएगा. आपको उस 10 सेकंड में उस वर्ड के ऊपर क्या बनाना है? सेंटेंस बनाना है. अब बात आती है कि इन वर्ड एसोसिएशन टेस्ट हाउ कैन वी मेक सेंटेंसेस, हाउ कैन वी मेक पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस. पहली चीज ये है कि आप लोगों को मैंने जो लिखा है मैं बता देता हूं कि दैट यू हैव टू मेक सेंटेंसेस ऑन दोस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स. एंड आपने ये काम करना है एंड ईच वर्ड विल बी डिस्प्लेड ऑन योर प्रोजेक्टर स्क्रीन फॉर 10 seconds. Got it? Yes. Then in that this is not compulsory that you have to use that particular word in your sentence. What does it mean? Basically it means that in that you are not bound to use that particular word to make sentence on that particular word. If you are having that negative word, let's suppose if you are having that kill, अब kill के ऊपर आप kill itself a negative word, kill के ऊपर आप एक positive sentence नहीं बना सकते. So this association, ये association अगर आपकी उस टाइम काम आती है जब आपके पास कोई negative word आ जाए, then you will associate that word with its synonym or antonym. आप उसके synonym या फिर उसके antonym से उसको replace करके positive करके आप क्या कर दोगे? उसके ऊपर sentence बना दोगे. Then it comes that you have to use that particular word in your sentence, and then as association means replacement, so we can associate or replace that particular word with its synonym or antonym. Any problem, any query, any question regarding what I have written and what I have delivered, जो चीज मैंने आपको अभी तक बैड से रिलेटेड बताई है, इससे रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन आस्क. No sir. Are you done with it? Yes sir. सबसे पहली चीज that hard and fast rule of doing bad, हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल, जो कि आप कह लो कि आपके सारे साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट में आपको मदद देगा. दैट इज योर पॉजिटिविटी. यू हैव टू किल योर नेगेटिविटी, यू हैव टू शो योर पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड एंड यू हैव टू शो योर पॉजिटिव बिहेवियर. इफ यू आर अ पॉजिटिव थिंकर, आप पॉजिटिव सोच रहे हो, तो आप लोगों को साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट करने में कोई भी दिक्कत महसूस नहीं होगी. तो व्हाट इज द हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल ऑफ योर साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट? दैट इज योर पॉजिटिविटी एंड योर पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग और पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. Then I can explain this all thing with that of an example. Let's suppose we are having that word garden. What? Garden. We are having that word garden that is displayed on the projector screen, and you have to make sentence on that particular word. That is your garden. What? Garden. Garden. Garden मतलब बाग. Let's suppose I ask somebody to make a sentence on that particular word, that is your garden. We can make sentence on that garden. That garden is beautiful. What? मैंने एक सेंटेंस बनाया है इसमें garden is beautiful. बाग खूबसूरत है. If I am going to make a sentence on garden that flowers are beautiful, what? Flowers are beautiful. These both sentences are correct according to psychology and according to psychological test, and in psychological test in that these both sentences are correct. These flowers are beautiful. This is basically associating with this word garden. Got it? Yes. अब मेरी बात क्लियर हुई आपको? Yes sir. Let's suppose you are having that word, I can write that negative word, let's suppose romance. अब जब नेगेटिव वर्ड आता है तो बच्चे परेशान हो जाते हैं कि that word भी आपको नहीं. You should neglect that negativity. अब रोमांस के बारे में जब रोमांस का जिक्र आता है तो हर बंदे के ज़हन में सबसे पहली चीज क्या आती है? That let's suppose I can give you an example. There was my student and I asked him to make sentence of romance. What he made that after marriage husband and wife romance with each other. In psychological test, in fact, this romance is basically not that romance that husband and wife are doing after their marriage. We can take this romance in that sense that is your love. If I am going to make sentence that I have to make sentence on that particular word, I have to make positive sentence. What I will do? I will make that mother's love as no limit. What? Mother's love has no limit. So what I have done, I have associated this romance with love. What? I have associated this romance with love. So I just want to make it clear that in that and word association test, you are not bound to make sentence of that particular word. If the word is positive, and constructive, then you can use that particular word and then you can make sentence of that particular word. But if the word is negative and you are unable to make sentence of that particular word, then you will use that key, that is associating key, that you will associate that word and you will make sentence. You can use its synonym and antonym as well. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is all about introduction to your BAT, that is your word association test.
Yes.
Any question, any problem, any query by the end of this session?
Clear, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
done.